Welcome to my home, Emporia State University. In the beautiful Flint Hills, Emporia State is the place to be for gravel biking, disc golf, local art, and awesome local restaurants, and of course, Emporia State University. Come on, let me show you around. Kellogg Drive is where students meet to hammock on the lawn, study, hang out, and go to awesome events like concerts and movie nights. Around the drive, there's Plum Hall, where you can meet with your advisor, take a class, and take the stage. The library, open 24/7, is your go-to place for study sessions and free tutoring for your classes. And from here, it's a 2-minute walk to downtown Emporia, where you'll find local coffee shops, restaurants, art galleries, and awesome community events like the Unbound Gravel Bike Race, Halfway to Everywhere Music Festival, and so much more. In the Visual and Performing Arts District, you'll hear music from the windows of Beach Music Hall at all hours of the day. Find students creating original works in the Roosevelt Hall Graphic Design Lab and get to walk through student art galleries in Keene Hall throughout the year. Teacher education is where Emporia State University all started. In Visitor Hall, you'll build the skills you need for your future classroom or do some studying in the amazing atrium. Kramer Hall houses the School of Business at Emporia State and has tons of spaces for collaboration and networking, like the Entrepreneurial Development Center and the Future Cybersecurity Center. In the Sciences area of campus, you'll find more than just classrooms and lecture halls. Here you'll get to take your learning into the lab, planetarium, campus museums, campus natural areas, and the Aquatic Research Center. Hyper houses some of ESU's helping profession majors and has multiple courts, studios, and clinical spaces to get out of class and get moving. And right next door is Welch Stadium, where you can show your Hornet spirit at games and events and take part in awesome tailgate experiences. And here's where I live, Schallenkamp Hall. Schallenkamp is one of 4 awesome campus living spaces at Emporia State. Whatever residence hall you choose, living on campus lets you be close to the action of campus events and activities and comes with perks like free laundry, fast internet, and tons of opportunities to meet new people. And last but certainly not least, in the heart of campus is Emporia State University Memorial Union, where you can relax, grab a coffee, get your ESU gear, and sit down with friends for a meal. There's so much to experience at Emporia State University. Come visit your home away from home. And don't forget, Steiners up!